Today's video, I'm going to share with you the benefits of eating banana chips snack. First and foremost, what is banana chips? Banana chips are deep-fried, generally crispy, slices of raw banana, which is the house of nutrients. They are usually made from firmer starcher, banana varieties like giant saba banana, known as Cardava banana. They can be sweet, savory, covered with sugar, honey, salt, and various spices. Can be cooked homemade easily. These chips are a portable, healthy snack that doesn't expire quickly. An excellent option snack when you are on the go, hiking, or camping trip because these chips have much longer shelf life. These are the benefits of eating banana chips in the right amount. These chips supplies your body with energy, quick source of calories, and simple carbohydrates. It is also a good source of magnesium, which is our body needs magnesium for energy production. These chips offers potassium health benefits, which support your nerves and blood pressure lowering. If you are craving something crispy, crunchy, sweetened, yet healthy snacks, banana chips is good for you. And if you're enjoying this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day!